We've heard that the banks will be deferring mortgage payments for up to 6 months. But what exactly are the rules and how exactly does it work? That's what I'm going to discuss in this video. Hello, my name is Patrick Fields, your Edmonton real estate guy. I'm licensed with RE/MAX Select here in the social distancing city of Edmonton, Alberta. I'd like to give a huge thank you to mortgage broker Natalie Wellings for compiling this information. Her contact details will be in the notes below. If you have any mortgage questions, please reach out to her. The coronavirus is causing not only huge health scares, but also financial worries. If you can't make a mortgage payment, what do you do and who do you call? Here is what I was able to find out. Number 1, deferred mortgage payments are discretionary. Lenders maintain the legal right to timely repayment of their mortgages, and mortgage payment deferral programs are offered at their sole discretion, and each lender has different policies on how they handle these requests. Note, so far, only the big banks or the institutional lenders are offering these programs. As far as I have heard, private mortgages do not qualify. Contact your lender to be sure. Number 2, no lender is going to forgive your mortgage payment. A deferred mortgage payment allows you to roll a defined number of mortgage payments into your mortgage. However, you're still expected to ultimately pay all of the money you owe with interest and possibly administration charges added onto it. This will not only add on an extra 6 months of payments if you choose to go the full 6 months, but also interest on top of those payments. Number 3, true financial hardship must be demonstrated. These programs are for customers who are genuinely struggling to make their next mortgage payment. They may have lost their jobs and/or a portion of their income, and they just don't have any extra cash to draw on. If you're not in this group, you're not likely to be eligible. However, if you do make the decision to request a payment deferral, please be prepared to submit a detailed breakdown of your personal assets, current income, and expenses. Number 4, if you do not currently fall into this distressed category, please do not call your lender at this time. The lender phone lines are overloaded right now, with many calls being from customers who are worried but not in a situation as per number 3. If you're still receiving your normal income and have enough money to make your next mortgage payment, please delay a call to your lender until you are in that situation, and I hope you never are. Or better yet, contact the mortgage professional that you originally worked with when you obtained your mortgage. They will be more than happy to review all of the available options with you. Number 5, deferring mortgage payments will not hurt your credit score. A lender-approved deferment is not a missed payment, and it will not appear on your credit bureau report. Lenders are also typically offering to waive any fees associated with these types of programs during the COVID-19 crisis, but definitely call them and discuss that just to be certain. Number 6, deferred payment programs are typically capped at 6 months. Deferring the first payment will be easier than deferring the second one, and so on. Right now, 6 months is about the longest deferment you should expect to receive, but don't expect the lender will just allow you to miss all 6 payments at once. Most of them will require that you reach out with a request for each individual payment that you're going to miss. Number 7, communication is the key. If you're going to miss your mortgage payment, contact your lender first. Be honest with them about your circumstances and have a plan for how you're going to get back on track. If you're about to miss a payment and cannot get through on the phone lines, send the lender an email. The lender may waive NSF fees if you miss a payment, but can demonstrate to them that you attempted to notify them in advance. Number 8, a mortgage deferred payment program is for your mortgage payment only. Property taxes and home insurance premiums are entirely separate from these programs and must continue to be paid. Please don't cancel or miss any insurance payments. If municipalities and insurance companies offer similar programs, they must be contacted separately. Number 9, other options may be available. In addition to rolling missed payments back into your mortgage for a specified period of time, lenders also have the ability to refinance your mortgage to pay out other debt, as long as you qualify, or restore your original amortization, which will lower your payment amount, hold a payment during a temporary suspension of income, or offer you a reduced payment for a specific time. We recommend that you contact your mortgage professional to review these other options. And note, interest-only payments are usually not available under any of these programs. And finally, number 10, rental property investors may also be eligible. Property investors with tenants who have stopped making their rent payments will also be considered. However, they will be addressed by the same rigorous standards as noted in number 3. And some provincial governments have introduced tenant relief programs. Rental property owners can also encourage their tenants who have been adversely impacted by COVID-19 to apply for these programs if available. Please remember that these are very challenging times, not only for ourselves, but for people working on the other end of the phone. They're working extremely hard to provide all their customers with first-class service and to help those borrowers who are being adversely impacted by COVID-19. It may take you a significant amount of time to reach a customer service representative at your particular lender, so when you finally do get someone on the other end of the phone, remember they're doing their best in these difficult times, and please treat them with the respect they deserve. I hope this clears up any questions you had about how to defer your mortgage payments while we deal with the coronavirus. Number one priority right now, please keep yourself and your family safe during this very uncertain time. Thanks again to Natalie, and feel free to call her or myself if you have any other questions. I'm also going to have all the major bank phone numbers down in the notes below. Feel free to call them if needed. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you next time.